Okay, here is a quick tutorial on how you're going to make a Google form. So you're going to hit New in your Google Drive, More Google Forms. Once you get here, you can title it, or if you hit the subjective, for example. Here your question is going to be question, and your options will be indicative. Add an option subjunctive. Add an option infinitive. Okay, but you should have these verbs conjugated. Infinitive. Yes, it's spelled like that. Now, once you do that, you only have the questions, and I need you to share with me your answers. To do that, up here under Settings, you'll go to Quizzes, Make this a quiz. None of this other stuff really matters. You just need to make sure you make it a quiz and save. And once you do that, you'll have answer key down here. So the answer key, perhaps the answer here is the indicative. You can make it worth points if you want. If you don't want to make it points, that's fine too. And then we have the answer key and the question. Make sure that you add me as a collaborator. Okay, so make sure that you add me as a collaborator so that you're not sending me the quiz to take. Okay, so send, add collaborator. Awesome. Let me know if you have any questions.